Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on ThinkMarkets. So now we are here on a Bitcoin chart and we want to create ourselves a position with a take profit on Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is we go right here, right in the top, select here buy, and now we create right here with how many lots we want to step in. So let's do 2. Then after that we go here to take profit and there we enable the take profit button. Right now we select this and what we're going to do is we fill in right here 75k. And this means that when Bitcoin will hit 75k, that he will automatically close our trade and will take the profit. So that is very, very important to do if you want to do on risk management, because right now when I'm going to bed or when I'm away, he will automatically close the trade and then we can take our profit on that trade. So then right now what we're going to do is click on confirm buy, place order, and then right now you will find the order right here in the bottom, and then at take profit you see here the take profit price. So this is how you can take profit right here on ThinkMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.